Friends, for today's trading, I have selected three stock again: Hero MotoCorp, IndusInd Bank, and Bajaj Auto. So two stocks are from auto industry, and one stock is from banking industry. So let me tell you quickly why I have selected these stocks, and then I will let you know what kind of analysis that I have done in this stock, and and then after I will tell you what kind of trade I have traded in those stocks and what kind of trade I'm expecting. But it is 3 p.m. already, so I'm not going to place any trade because 2:30 is the max time for me to take entry. Okay, let's start with Hero MotoCorp. So as you can see clearly, today's price action was the result of yesterday's strong build-up zone that was formed in the second half of the previous day trading session. So this was not as uniform as I always look in any build-up, but it was quite interesting build-up because in this build-up zone you can clearly see that the most of the times bulls were dominating. So there was a high chance of winning for the bulls. But at the end, because of some profit booking who have entered in this stock in the morning candle, that is at 9:15, may they have booked their profit, and because of that price came down. But still the price has not broken the that build up zone low. So because of that, I was quite sure that the price may start moving up, and that is what happened on the very first candle. So a kind of hammer pattern was formed at 9:15 today in the morning. So I was expecting a kind of build up after some green candle were found, but it was not happened. So the very next candle was you can say uh, kind of uncertainty that actually indicates that there are some bulls who are taking position over there. So as you can see, volumes are also high. So as soon as the high of 920 candle was broken, I have entered because I have placed my limit order on the high of 28.95. That is, I think it was 28.97. 28.97 was my cost price. So I have three confirmation. First, the trend for 5-minute charts for Hero MotoCorp was up. Strong build up, major clues who is going to dominate as of now. So I will be trading with them, and again after some time the prices were actually started creating lower highs that actually told me that bulls were not that much stronger that they are yesterday. So I just cut down my target to 1 is to 2, and exactly on 129 I have booked the profit and get out of this trade. So basically profit was given profit has was profit was given by this stock to me today. So this is about Hero MotoCorp. Now let's move to IndusInd Bank. Missed chance in IndusInd Bank today because I cannot see two charts at a time because both the chart psychology are different, build up zone are different, so candles are forming different. So two chart at a time you cannot analyze, and it is a very best practice to have eye on one uh, chart at a time, so you will get a very clear idea, otherwise you will get lost in both of them. So because of that I was unable to have a look in the initial part of this different bank chart in the morning. Otherwise there was a two chance that this stock has given me in the morning. First high up, the first candle was broken, and second when the flag pattern was developed around 9:50 or closing hours of 9 a.m. Very good risk reward I will be awarded if I have entered in this stock. The reason behind selecting this stock is same as I have done for every stock that I sell trade. See here, small, you can see around 1.5 hour build-up. Bulls are taking control, retesting, again retesting at the last moment of trading session. So that ensure that bulls have entered. That will make sure that prices were above the build-up zone, and it will trade higher than this. And that is what exactly happened. So this is the missed chance of investment bank today. So now we move to Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, I have selected this stock because this stock has given me a triple bottom kind of pattern, which ensures that bulls are not ready to lose the control. And at the end of trading session, a small buildup was also there. This kind of buildup was not that kind of buildup that I always look for. But the moment of price behind this buildup was quite evident that triple bottom were formed, and now the small buildup. So again, the chances of prices are going up are very high. So I have taken this stock, but as you can see, this stock is not performing as per my expectation. So symmetrical triangle is getting formed, and maybe this stock will close between these two uh, 10 lines, because as per my analysis, from for tomorrow, or yeah, maybe it will either break this side or this side. It's a matter of time today. If at the end of today's today trading session, the prices would keep them in between this range, then for tomorrow this is a very good candidate to trade. So this is about today's trading. Friends, keep trading. Bye.